All right, so now we're going to measure some things with your new units. Okay, so you want to measure your computer, or really you can measure anything, I don't care. Okay, measure your computer in terms of your medium-size object. So for me, that was paper clips. Okay, so if I lay out paper clips along my computer, let's say that it was 15 and a half. So I'm going to put 15.5 because it's probably not going to come out perfect, right? 15.5 paper clips long. Okay, so what we want to do then is we want to be able to convert that measurement into the other units. Okay, so what you do always when you convert units, the first thing that you do is you write your given. Okay, and this is called a T-chart. You don't have to do it like this, but it's just kind of nice to have it like this. Okay, so you're going to put your given there, 15.5 paper clips. And then basically what you're doing here is you're multiplying by a fraction. Okay, and we have to multiply only by 1 or else we change what it is. All right, so what we need to do is we need something that's going to have paper clips on the bottom. Okay, because if there's 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom, then those are going to cancel out to be 1, right? So those are going to cancel. And we want whatever unit we're looking for on the top. Okay, so let's do the smallest first, which was pennies. Okay, so I'm going to put pennies on the top because I want that to be the unit. All right, and I had 2 pennies in every 1 paper clip when I look back at my ratios. See, 2 pennies in 1 paper clip. Okay, right, so I'm going to multiply everything across the top and then divide by the bottom. So 15.5 times 2 is 31, divided by 1 is still 31. Okay, paper clips, right, since there's 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom, that's going to cancel, and that's just going to give me 31 pennies. Okay, right, and since that is a smaller unit of measurement, I expect this number to get bigger, right? That's another way you'll be able to tell if you did it right or wrong, right? Because there's not going to be less pennies in it because the penny's smaller, right? It's going to fit more pennies across the computer. Okay, all right, now converting to the larger object, again, I'm going to start with my given right here. Okay, so 15.5 paper clips. Okay, and I still need paper clips to be on the bottom, right, because I still want to cancel that. Okay, and that would be 1 paper clips over paper clips. It's just an equivalence of 1. Okay, but now I want to have pencils on the top. All right, so if I look back at my ratio, I have every 1 pencil was worth 4 paper clips. All right, so now I'm going to do 15.5 times 1, which is 15.5 divided by 4, which is, oh, I don't know, a little less than 4, 3 point something. I should have had a calculator ready. 15.5 divided by 4 is 3 point, I'm just going to round to 3.9 pencils. Boom. Okay, a little less than 4, right? Because 15.5 is almost 16. All right, so that's how you're going to go about making the conversion. Okay, so that's the example. Now you are going to do your own measurement on the next page. Okay, right here. All right, that's that. Okay.